Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're about to dive into an exciting topic, optimizing Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse for enhanced AI-driven business insights. The focus will be on unlocking productivity, improving accuracy, and enabling smarter decision-making through the power of AI integration and domain knowledge. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through how these tools come together to transform the way we work and make decisions. Let's get started. Let's dive into how we can optimize Microsoft Copilot by integrating it with Dataverse. This powerful combination allows us to perform natural language queries, meaning you can ask questions in plain language and receive precise, context-aware answers. This not only makes your workflows more efficient, but also helps you make smarter decisions faster. The key here is that this integration enhances productivity by making data more accessible and understandable through simple, conversational interactions. As we explore further, you'll see how combining Copilot with Dataverse unlocks AI-driven insights directly from your enterprise data. This is a game changer for empowering your organization with smarter, data-backed decision-making. Let's explore why optimizing Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse is so beneficial for your business. When we ground AI in your specific business context, the responses become much more precise and relevant. This means that the insights you get are tailored to your unique needs, which in turn enhances both productivity and the quality of your decision-making. Dataverse plays a crucial role here by providing a secure and structured repository for all your business data. This ensures that your data is reliable and compliant with security standards, giving you confidence in the insights generated. And finally, Copilot uses advanced AI that interprets questions posed in everyday language. This natural language capability makes data insights much more accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. It's about making AI work for you in a way that's intuitive and easy to use, ultimately helping your team make smarter, faster decisions. So on this slide, we're looking at some of the key challenges when Copilot doesn't quite hit the mark. First, we see that users often receive incomplete or unrelated data. This can seriously hinder decision-making because if the information isn't accurate or relevant, making informed actions becomes tough. Then, there's the issue of irrelevant insights. When the AI lacks proper context, it can produce unclear answers, which frustrates users who need quick, specific information to keep things moving smoothly. Next, we have vague responses. Without enough context, the AI struggles to provide precise answers, especially when users need quick and clear guidance. And finally, there's the problem with domain-specific confusion. AI can get tripped up by unique business terms or industry jargon, leading to misinterpretation and further confusion. Overall, these challenges highlight why optimizing Copilot with better data sources, like Dataverse, is so important for delivering truly AI-driven business insights that are accurate, relevant, and timely. Now, let's talk about grounding Copilot with domain knowledge. This is all about ensuring that Copilot can interpret queries accurately and provide relevant, actionable answers that truly drive business value. To do this effectively, we need to enable accurate query interpretation. That means defining key terms precisely. For example, when we say closed leads, we're referring to leads with a status that's either not qualified or canceled. Clarity here helps Copilot understand exactly what we mean. Additionally, it's important to teach Copilot your specific business language. This involves using synonyms and glossary terms that reflect how your team communicates. By doing this, you help Copilot grasp the nuances and terminology unique to your organization. All of these steps, precise definitions and tailored language, contribute to better, more accurate responses from Copilot. This grounding process ultimately helps us unlock more value from our AI-driven insights and improves decision-making across the business. Let's take a closer look at how we can add domain knowledge in Copilot Studio to optimize its capabilities. The interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for you to set up and guide the AI effectively. It highlights specific fields that help you navigate the setup process smoothly. One important aspect is defining your business terms. By adding synonyms and creating a glossary, you're teaching Copilot your unique vocabulary and specific context, which significantly improves its understanding and accuracy. When it comes to integrating data, you can include up to 15 Dataverse tables per knowledge source. This limit is set to ensure optimal performance, so choosing the most relevant tables is key. Finally, accessing Copilot Studio itself is straightforward. It's the central place where you manage configurations and your knowledge base. This setup ultimately helps you leverage AI-driven insights more effectively, aligning with our goal to harness smarter tools for better business outcomes. Let's take a closer look at how sample glossary terms can really boost AI understanding and performance. When we provide precise definitions, like for overdue task, which we define as tasks that are open and past their scheduled end date, we help ensure everyone, and the AI, interprets the data consistently. This consistency is crucial for improving the accuracy of AI-driven insights. Now, I want to highlight the importance of these clear definitions, especially when dealing with complex filters. For example, custom ownership refers specifically to the activity owner identified by the partyid in the activity party table. Clarifying these kinds of details helps prevent misunderstandings and makes our AI's outputs more reliable. We also have job titles like VP, which means Vice President in Contact Records. Knowing these abbreviations and titles precisely ensures that we're all on the same page, especially when analyzing organizational data. Finally, defining acronyms and terms thoroughly, whether it's a role, a status, or a specific field, supports the overall goal of optimizing Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse. This way, we can deliver more accurate, meaningful insights that truly drive smarter business decisions. Now, let's talk about how the record picker helps us get more precise answers. When you're working with Microsoft Copilot and Dataverse, it's crucial that the responses are laser-focused on the specific data point you're interested in. This ensures that the answers you get are relevant and directly address your query, which really improves the user experience. The record picker plays a vital role here by eliminating ambiguity when multiple records or tables are involved. If there's any confusion about which record you're referring to, it helps clarify that so Copilot can provide the most accurate information. In Power Apps model-driven apps, you can even focus Copilot's answers on a particular record by typing a slash, followed by the record name. This simple step allows you to zero in on exactly what you need, making your interactions more efficient and effective. So, overall, the record picker is about precision, making sure you get the right answers quickly and with confidence. Let's talk about why record picker really matters in this context. When we optimize Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse, having a clear and precise way to select data is crucial for delivering better AI-driven business insights. What makes the record picker so important is that it ensures answers are precisely targeted to a single source of truth. This means users can gain instant clarity and confidence in the information they're getting, which helps reduce the time spent on clarifications or follow-up questions. Without the record picker, there's a risk that AI might mix data from different records. That can lead to confusion and inaccurate answers, which obviously isn't ideal. Sometimes, responses can become ambiguous, forcing users to ask multiple follow-up questions just to clarify the data. But with the record picker in place, these issues are significantly minimized. It helps ensure responses are accurate and targeted, making the entire process smoother and more reliable. This difference is visually represented here, comparing responses with and without the record picker, highlighting how much more precise and effective the answers can be when we have this tool in place. Now, let's explore the 3 key ways to use Dataverse in Copilot Studio to supercharge your AI-driven business insights. First, we have the Model Context Protocol. This is crucial for complex integrations that demand real-time context and the ability to handle advanced scenarios. It essentially helps the model stay aligned with the latest data and circumstances, ensuring the outputs are relevant and timely. Next, there's the MCP server. Think of this as your automation engine, where you can trigger actions and streamline workflows directly from Copilot conversations. This allows for hands-free data manipulation, making processes more efficient and reducing manual effort. Finally, we have the tool and knowledge source. Here, you can ground AI with your specific data and glossary, which significantly improves the AI's understanding and response accuracy. By customizing the context with your unique data, you're enabling the AI to deliver more precise and meaningful insights tailored to your business needs. Connecting all these points, it's clear that leveraging Dataverse in these ways enhances the overall capability of Copilot Studio, making it more adaptable, intelligent, and aligned with your unique business environment. Now, let's talk about when to use each integration method to get the most out of Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse. First, we have the idea of providing comprehensive AI capabilities tailored specifically to your business needs. This means you can customize and optimize AI functions to align perfectly with your unique processes and goals. Next, we look at combining methods, which is especially useful for complex, real-time integrations. When your workflows require deep contextual awareness, meaning understanding the nuances of your data and environment, this approach helps ensure everything works seamlessly together. Then there's the MCP server. This method is ideal for automating data-driven actions and streamlining your workflows. It allows you to set up automated processes that respond quickly to changing data, saving time and reducing errors. Finally, we have the tool approach, which is best for enhancing AI comprehension and delivering accurate answers. When precise, reliable information is critical, say, for customer support or decision-making, this method ensures your AI provides high-quality responses. Overall, choosing the right integration method depends on your specific needs, whether it's deep customization, real-time complexity, automation, or accuracy. By selecting the appropriate approach, you can truly maximize the power of Copilot and Dataverse to drive smarter, faster business insights. Now, let's talk about some best practices for adding knowledge to Dataverse to really optimize Microsoft Copilot. First, it's important to refine your glossary terms iteratively. That means testing your definitions repeatedly and making adjustments based on how well the AI responds. This ongoing refinement helps ensure that the AI understands the terms correctly and provides more accurate insights. Next, when you're adding data elements, make sure to include detailed descriptions. These descriptions clarify the context and purpose of each data element, making it easier for the AI to interpret and use the information effectively. It's also a good idea to limit the number of tables you add from each knowledge source, preferably no more than 15. Keeping the number manageable helps maintain fast response times and prevents your system from becoming cluttered. Finally, always preview your tables before adding them. This step ensures the data is relevant and helps you avoid unnecessary clutter, which can bog down the AI's performance. By following these practices, you'll enhance the quality of your data, improve AI responses, and ultimately get more value from your Microsoft Copilot deployment. Let's talk about optimizing numeric and complex columns. When we provide understandable context, it helps transform cryptic column names into meaningful data points. This is crucial because it allows AI to interpret technical or coded information more accurately. As a result, we get more precise answers, even when dealing with complex data sets. For example, take a column named CR123ABC. Without context, it might be confusing, but if we know it represents departure city flight codes, it becomes much clearer. Clear descriptions are especially important for coded or numeric columns that could otherwise confuse the AI. In essence, adding this level of clarity ensures that our AI-driven insights are accurate and reliable, ultimately helping us make better decisions based on the data. Let's explore some key strategies for optimizing Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse to get the most out of AI-driven business insights. First, it's important to specify only the relevant files in your agent manifest. This helps reduce noise and makes responses faster and more accurate. By focusing on what truly matters, you improve both efficiency and quality. Next, when dealing with large files, breaking them into smaller chunks, preferably under 36,000 characters, can prevent processing errors and keep things smooth. This way, the AI can better understand and analyze the content without getting overwhelmed. Another point is to avoid complex formatting, like tables or intricate layouts, which can confuse the AI during parsing. Simplifying the formatting ensures that the AI processes the information correctly and efficiently. Finally, when working with SharePoint or embedded files, limiting the content to about 15 to 20 pages helps maintain optimal scanning performance. Larger files tend to slow things down or cause issues, so keeping it concise is key. All these steps together help us create a more streamlined, effective setup for AI to deliver valuable insights quickly and accurately. Let's talk about why file size and format really matter when optimizing Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse for better AI-driven business insights. First, when we have optimized files, we ensure a smooth user experience. That means users get reliable, instant AI responses every time, which is crucial for productivity and confidence in the system. Next, clean and concise content plays a big role here. When your data is clear and to the point, the AI can process it faster and provide more accurate answers. This is especially important when you're dealing with large amounts of information. On the flip side, large or complex files can slow down the AI responses. They also increase the risk of missing critical details, which could impact decision-making or insights. So overall, keeping files optimized not only improves performance, but also ensures that the AI can deliver the best possible insights quickly and reliably. Now that we've set up Power Apps Copilot with Dataverse, it's crucial to test and demonstrate its AI querying capabilities. This step helps us validate that everything is working correctly before we roll it out to users. Ensuring that the AI responds accurately and efficiently is key to delivering a seamless experience. Next, we want to build model-driven apps within Power Apps that leverage Copilot. These apps allow users to perform seamless queries and get insights directly from the data, making interactions more intuitive and productive. Connecting Copilot to your Dataverse environment is the next important step. This link is what enables AI to access and analyze your business data effectively. Without this connection, Copilot can't deliver the insights we're aiming for. Finally, don't forget to enable the Copilot feature in the Power Platform Admin Center. This step is essential to activate the functionality across your environment, ensuring that everything is ready for your users to start benefiting from AI-driven insights. Throughout this process, the goal is to ensure that AI querying is reliable, integrated smoothly with your data, and accessible through user-friendly apps, aligning perfectly with our overall focus on enhancing business intelligence through Microsoft tools. Let's take a closer look at how we can optimize Microsoft Copilot by integrating it with Dataverse to deliver even more powerful AI-driven business insights. One of the key benefits of this integration is the ability to interact with data seamlessly and in real time. This means users can quickly access the information they need without delays, significantly boosting productivity and supporting smarter decision-making. Now, a standout feature here is real-time data interaction. Imagine being able to ask complex questions about your datasets using simple, natural language, no need for specialized technical skills. This democratizes data access, making insights available to everyone, regardless of their technical background. And speaking of natural language, this approach to querying transforms how we work. Instead of writing complicated queries, you can just ask questions naturally, and Copilot understands and processes them instantly. Finally, I want to show you a live demo of Copilot in action. Watch how it queries Dataverse data on the fly and delivers AI-powered insights directly within the Power Apps interface. This real-time demonstration highlights the immediate value and ease of use that comes from combining Copilot with Dataverse, empowering users to make smarter, faster decisions. Now, let's talk about the real-world impact of boosting productivity with these tools. When we optimize Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse, we're really enhancing our ability to gain AI-driven business insights. This means we can make smarter decisions by uncovering patterns and hidden opportunities within our data that might otherwise go unnoticed. By doing so, we're not just improving our understanding, we're enabling more informed decision-making across the board. And one of the biggest benefits here is saving time. Automating manual data searches and filtering processes with AI-powered solutions allows us to focus on what truly matters: strategic actions and insights. And because these AI-driven insights deliver instant, accurate answers, we don't need to be database experts to get valuable information. It's about making data accessible and actionable quickly, which ultimately drives efficiency and better outcomes. This approach aligns perfectly with our goal of creating smarter, more agile businesses. Now, let's look at the impact of our optimization on the sales team. As a result of these improvements, team confidence and efficiency saw a significant boost. The team feels more capable and streamlined in their daily activities. Specifically, after implementing these changes, we achieved a 40% faster sales reporting process. That's a huge time saver, allowing the team to focus more on strategic activities. Additionally, our forecast accuracy has improved, giving us more reliable insights to guide decision-making. Another key aspect was training the team on how to use the record picker effectively. This training was essential to ensure everyone could leverage the new features confidently. We also added a glossary to clarify important terms like closed leads and overdue tasks. This helped eliminate confusion caused by inconsistent definitions, especially when manual reporting used to take hours. Before these optimizations, reporting was time-consuming and often confusing due to inconsistent terminology. Now, with these targeted improvements, the team is more confident, faster, and more accurate in their work. This ties directly into our overall goal of leveraging AI and data insights to drive smarter business decisions. Now, let's look at some advanced tips to optimize Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse for even better AI-driven business insights. First, leveraging Copilot Studio analytics is key. It helps us track how the system is being used and pinpoint areas where we can improve. By analyzing usage patterns, we can identify what's working well and what needs adjustment. Next, it's important to monitor AI responses closely and refine our knowledge sources based on real user feedback. This ongoing process ensures that our AI stays relevant and accurate, aligning with actual user needs. Another crucial tip is to keep our glossaries up to date. Business terms evolve, and regularly updating these glossaries helps the AI understand new terminology and context. This way, we maintain clarity and precision in responses. Finally, enhancing AI effectiveness can be achieved by using synonyms. Incorporating synonyms allows the AI to understand and interpret varied user language and jargon more broadly. This makes the system more flexible and improves overall user experience. Together, these strategies help us get the most out of Copilot, making it a smarter, more responsive tool for our business. Let's talk about testing and iterating AI responses. The key here is to keep repeating the testing process until the AI consistently delivers relevant and accurate responses across a variety of scenarios. This isn't a one-time step, it's about ongoing refinement. As we gather insights from these tests, we can adjust our definitions for clarity and coverage, making sure the AI understands exactly what we need. It's a continuous cycle of refinement based on what we learn. We also compare responses before and after updating our glossary to see how much we've improved. This helps us measure the actual gains from our efforts. Additionally, running sample queries that mimic real user questions is crucial. These simulated questions allow us to evaluate how well the AI is answering in a practical, real-world context. All of this ties back to our goal, creating an AI that's reliable and precise. Repeated testing, refining definitions, measuring improvements, and real-world testing. All these steps ensure our AI-driven insights become more accurate and valuable over time. Now, let's look at how adaptive cards can really boost user engagement and make interactions with conversational AI much clearer. Instead of just plain text responses, adaptive cards transform that information into rich visual experiences. This not only makes the conversation more engaging, but also helps users better understand the data being presented. Think of it this way: adaptive cards allow Copilot to display data in interactive carousel formats. These carousels are like a series of slides that users can swipe through. Each swipe reveals different data points or options, making complex information much easier to navigate and comprehend. This approach is a form of visual storytelling, using these card carousels to guide users through information in a more dynamic and engaging way. It's all about creating an intuitive experience where data isn't just presented, but also explored interactively. This ultimately enhances the overall effectiveness of AI-driven insights, making them more accessible and user-friendly. Now that we've built our carousel in Copilot Studio, the next critical step is to thoroughly test the flow. This ensures that users will experience a smooth interaction and find navigation intuitive and seamless. We want to catch any potential issues early, so take your time to go through each step and verify everything works as expected. When designing the message nodes, it's important to use adaptive cards. These cards allow us to create a consistent look and feel across all items in the carousel, making the experience visually cohesive and professional. Pay attention to the styling and layout to keep it uniform. Parsing and indexing the data is another key part of the process. This step enables predictable navigation through the carousel items, so users can scroll or move through content logically without confusion. Proper data organization here is crucial for a smooth user experience. Finally, remember to create a JSON data array that contains all the necessary fields and metadata for your dataset. This structured data forms the backbone of your carousel, ensuring all elements are connected and functional. When you combine these steps, testing thoroughly, designing consistent cards, indexing your data, and properly structuring your JSON, you set the stage for a highly effective, AI-driven business insight tool. Now, let's talk about how we can optimize Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse to gain better AI-driven business insights. First, it's really important to set clear expectations about what AI can do and where its limits are. By informing users about AI capabilities and limitations, we promote responsible use and help prevent misunderstandings or over-reliance on the technology. Next, user education is key. We need to continuously review AI-generated responses, keeping an eye out for biases, inaccuracies, or unfair outputs. This ongoing review helps maintain trust and ensures the AI remains aligned with our values and standards. Another critical aspect is output monitoring. We should limit sensitive data visibility based on user roles. This means protecting confidential information by ensuring only authorized individuals can see certain data, which is essential for safeguarding privacy and maintaining security. Finally, it's vital to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and organizational policies whenever we expose data. Role-based access controls help us manage who can see what, making sure we're acting responsibly and ethically with our data. All these steps together support a responsible AI approach, aligning with our overall goal of leveraging AI effectively and ethically to drive business success. Let's talk about how Microsoft is committed to responsible AI, specifically through our work with Microsoft Copilot and Dataverse. We're focusing on optimizing these tools to deliver better AI-driven business insights, which helps organizations make smarter decisions. At the core of this effort is our dedication to trustworthy AI, meaning AI that respects user privacy and aligns with organizational values. We're investing continuously in responsible AI research to improve fairness, accuracy, and reliability, ensuring that our AI solutions are both effective and ethical. To give users more visibility and control over how AI interprets data, We've developed features like glossaries and synonyms. These tools help clarify how the AI understands context, making interactions more transparent and manageable. Another key aspect is transparent orchestration. Copilot Studio includes protections to prevent misuse and unethical behavior, emphasizing that safety and integrity are fundamental to our AI initiatives. Overall, these efforts underscore our commitment to building AI that is trustworthy, safe, and aligned with the principles that guide responsible innovation. Now that we've covered the basics, let's look at how to get started with Copilot and Dataverse today. First, it's important to educate your users on how to use the record picker and interact effectively with AI. This ensures they can access the right data quickly and make the most of AI-driven insights. Next, training your team on best practices is crucial. Encourage them to add synonyms and glossary entries that reflect your organization's unique language. This helps improve the AI's understanding and makes interactions more intuitive. You'll also want to define key business terms relevant to your organization. By doing this, you create a shared vocabulary that enhances the AI's accuracy and relevance when processing your data. Then, focus on selecting the most critical Dataverse tables, those containing your essential business data. Choosing the right tables ensures that AI insights are meaningful and impactful for your operations. Finally, to activate AI capabilities, you need to enable Copilot in your Power Platform Admin Center. This step unlocks the full potential of AI-driven features across your organization. Putting all of these steps into action will set a solid foundation for leveraging Copilot and Dataverse effectively, ultimately helping you gain deeper business insights and drive smarter decisions. Let's take a look at some of the key tools and resources available to help you optimize Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse for even better AI-driven business insights. First, we have forums and expert webinars. These are fantastic opportunities to connect with your peers and Microsoft professionals, where you can get guidance, share experiences, and learn best practices. Engaging with these communities keeps you informed and helps you stay ahead in leveraging AI effectively. Next, there's the community support, which provides centralized control for managing Copilot features and environment settings. This makes it easier to tailor the platform to your specific needs, ensuring everything runs smoothly and securely. Then, we have the Power Platform Admin Center. It offers tutorials and templates designed to streamline your configuration process and enhance your knowledge management. These resources can save you time and help you implement solutions more efficiently. Finally, there's the Copilot Studio, which includes comprehensive documentation and step-by-step guides. This is your go-to resource for improving AI responses and ensuring you're making the most of Copilot's capabilities. Together, these tools and resources form a robust ecosystem that empowers you to optimize your AI setup, ultimately driving better insights and smarter business decisions. Let's now look at some common pitfalls to avoid when optimizing Microsoft Copilot with Dataverse for better AI-driven business insights. First, complex formatting in your files can really hinder the AI's ability to parse the information correctly. To get the best results, it's important to use simple formatting. This makes data extraction much more effective and reliable. Next, ignoring the record picker usage can lead to mixed or confusing data in the responses. Always remember to specify records clearly to maintain data accuracy and ensure the AI understands exactly what you're referring to. Another point is about domain-specific glossary terms. If these are missing, the AI might give vague or incorrect answers. Providing clear definitions helps improve the accuracy and clarity of the responses. Lastly, be cautious with adding too many tables. Overloading your knowledge sources with irrelevant data can slow down the AI's response time and reduce its accuracy. Keeping things streamlined is key to getting the most precise insights. By paying attention to these pitfalls, we can enhance the effectiveness of Microsoft Copilot and unlock more valuable AI-driven insights for your business. Now, let's look ahead to the future of AI and Dataverse. On this slide, we see how Microsoft Copilot is being optimized with Dataverse to deliver even more powerful AI-driven business insights. The goal here is to make enterprise data not just accessible, but also actionable for every user, no matter their technical background. That's a huge step toward democratizing data and empowering everyone in the organization. We also want to highlight user empowerment in enterprise data. This means enabling citizen developers, those who may not have formal coding skills, to customize AI solutions without needing to write a single line of code. No-code tools are transforming the way we develop and adapt AI, making it easier for more people to contribute. Additionally, the AI itself is becoming smarter. It learns and adapts through ongoing interactions with users, continually improving its capabilities based on real-world use. This creates an AI that evolves over time, becoming more intuitive and effective. And finally, we're leveraging real-time data integration to provide instant insights. Continuous data streams mean that decision makers can access the latest information at any moment, ensuring that strategies are always based on current, relevant data. All these developments point toward a future where AI and Dataverse work seamlessly together, making data-driven decision-making faster, smarter, and more inclusive for everyone involved.